What's up guys? Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly insert hundreds of images into a scene like this and export the final images all automatically. Instead of wasting tons of time doing this one by one, maybe you need to step into the smart object and update the image and replace it. Maybe you're using the replace contents method, whatever it happens to be. Instead of wasting tons of time doing this manually, we're going to be automating this process using the batch replace smart objects plugin. This is something you can add to Photoshop from the official Adobe Exchange. You can find a link in the description. So the way it works is, as long as you're operating with a scene that looks something like this, and as long as there is a smart object layer which corresponds to the artwork or design that you want to be placing into the scene, this plugin allows you to completely automate this process. So all you need to do is up here, you can either work with one Photoshop document at a time, or you can use an entire folder of Photoshop files. We're going to run just one operation here, Photoshop document to use. We'll go ahead and select our mockup file that we're using. Next, you simply select the input folder of the artwork images that you want to place into the scene. We're going to select our folder of artwork images. This folder has about 168 images inside of it. That's what we're going to use for this operation. So basically, for each one of those images, it's going to replace the smart object, update the design, and then it's going to export the final updated image into our output folder. So we're going to select the output folder here, final product images, like so. That's really it. You can set up a couple custom rules in terms of the placement rules that you want it to follow. If you want it to stretch to fit the smart object, if you want to just place your original images with no modifications, if you want to fill the smart object area and crop the excess, or if you want to contain the images inside of the smart object and then configure the vertical and horizontal placement rule. That's really the basic setup. I'm just going to click run this now. So as you can see in the background, the plugin is just humming along and producing these mockups for us. What it's doing is just replacing the smart object design area with all of these images here, and it's just exporting the final images for us. Zoom out here so you can see, and it looks like this operation is completely finished. So we'll go ahead and take a look at our final created images. Here we have our final product images folder. As you can see, it created 168 mockups for each of the artwork images for us. And if you compare this against the manual process of coming into Photoshop, doing this one by one, maybe you replace the smart object contents, come here, find the next image, then you have to export, you have to configure your settings, you have to give it a name, blah, 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 just like this. It's a lot of tedious, repetitive work that this Photoshop plugin completely automates for you, and it's able to execute these operations very rapidly. There's no need to just use one single Photoshop document at a time. If you have all of your mockups inside of a folder, set up something like this, where maybe it's an e-commerce store, you have your product images here, and then you have, your different room mockups showing what the image looks like inside of a different scene. You can just flip over to use a folder of PSD files. You can just select the folder of all of your mockups, and then what it does is it'll just start with the first mockup inside of this folder. It'll replace the smart object area with all of the artwork images in the input folder, export everything, then it'll move on to mockup number 2, go through that full process, mockup number 3, 4, and so forth. And then if you need to, you can just save your operations. So whatever settings you have up here, it'll just save, and you can find these in the batches tab. And then you can also set up operations with multiple steps, and those you can find in the workflows tab. So maybe step 1, create all of your canvas wall art mockups. Step 2 could be create all of your poster wall art mockups, and so forth for however many steps you have in your workflow. Just find your saved operations, click run, and it'll go through all these steps for you with minimal prep or setup work required on your part. Hope this video was helpful in solving your problem, and I hope this plugin helps you to save a ton of time on this particular part of your workflow.